What's up everyone? It's me, yours truly, Tree John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-blooms! We are back for another reaction video for Beanie, and this is for their Grand Beanieverse Day 1, and this is the opening production sa The Big Dome. Nako, grabe, exciting to, and of course, congratulations right away to Beanie for a very successful Grand Beanieverse. And syempre sa mga ka-blooms natin, congratulations sa inyo kasi ito na yun, finally the Grand Beanieverse is happening, and for sure you're so happy guys. Kaya naman don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Ito na guys. Ay, may pabulaklak sa gitna. Mega love shoutout to Pia Jane. Thank you so much for uploading this video. Oh my gosh. Parang lotus ba yan?
Oh
Lotus flower.
Oh my God!
You can hear the reaction agad ng nagvi-video. Oh, opening prod ng Plus Pantropico and No Fear.
Parang mga engkanto.
Ay, may pa-engkanto.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, guys. This kind of production, parang first of its kind in Philippine concert. Grabe, isang buong stage, may malaking bulaklak. And for sure, there will be a grand reveal here. Dahil, nakita niyo yung bulaklak na yan. Pag namukadkad yan, Beanie ang lalabas. Ganun yun, oo. Galing na nag-isip ng concept ng production. Zoom in pa. Ganda.
Limitless possibilities.
Endless possibilities. May pa-LED light sa taas. And the side of the stage.
Oh my God!
Mapapa-oh my God ka talaga.
The Grand Beanieverse is a journey through 5 chapters, exploring its 5 elements.
Ala, the Avatar
Mind,
last year.
the artist,
The Avatar last
Ay,
heaven.
body, the vessel of discovery,
Oh my God!
spirit, the gate of the universe,
Ay,
soul, a nebula of passion,
oh my
and
God.
heart, the
Ganda.
compass that guides us beyond the stars.
May lalabas na yan.
Our journey begins now.
Oh my God!
Mm. The mind. Grabing sigawan na no? A Home for Dreams. Grabe din yung pictorial na yan, no? Yung OBP, grabe. Ginastosan at pinaghandaan. Para sila mga Winx Club, ganun. Alam niyo ba yung Winx Club? Mga 90s dyan. Oh my God, si Mika, ang ganda. Ah, kabo. The face card. Ang gaganda nila. Biniaya ata yun. Yung si Maloy. Ganda.
Oh my God! Oh my
Joanna.
God!
Colette. Kabo. Grabe, nadadala ako sa mga nanonood. Paano pa kaya dun sa live performance? Grabe yan. Bubukan ng bulaklak.
Wala. Oh my God!
Pati yung side ng stage. Ay, may orchestra guys. Grabe. Kabog. LED light pala yung stage. I mean LED. Yung mga bulak. Oh my gosh. Kabog. Oh my gosh. And the crowd gone wild. Oh my gosh. Hold on guys grabe. Yung the intensity, the introduction itself. Grabe. It's like watching an international concert. Alam mo yung mga, ano, parang Beyonce, Taylor Swift, ganung level. Ibang production, plus, nakita yung side of the stage, merong orchestra doon who's, giving us the beat, the intensity beat of an opening. At nakita nyo nga, tama ako, lumabas ang Beanie sa gitna. Oo, ayan na nga, at Pantropico. Siyempre, ito, isa to sa super duper hit talaga nila. And the crowd, grabe. Umangat yung road. Louder. Go. Ay, may marching band. Hey, Araneta! Sayang, ganda. Hey, that dance number. Ganda, parang We Will Rock You version. Grabe, face card. That smile, oh. Joanna. Maloy. Ang cute ng outfit ni Maloy. Colette. Grabe sigawan ng tao kay Colette, ha? And look at that, yung mga tao, yung mga lights, diba? Light stick. Grabe. Kabog, grabe. Ganda ng stage, grabe.
Oh my God!
Napapa-oh my God ka na lang talaga.
Ayaw!
Bini Aya. For sure, everybody's dancing. Grabe, pagod to. Dance plus singing. In fairness, guys, grabe, from the production, the stage, and the performance itself, you can feel the energy of Beanie oozing, plus the backups, the band itself, ang ganda ng arrangement. It's like, parang We Will Rock You vibe ng Pantropico. As in, very intense yung dating. Ganda. Grabe. Tia Jane, ha? Ikaw ba yan, Tia Jane? Grabe yung sigaw mo, ha? Oh. Look at that choreography. Hey! Grabe ang dance. Grabe yung sayo. cute ng mga light stick, no? Parang mga alitap-tap. Sino yun? Ganda, face card. I think this is Bini Aya. Hindi ko pa sila masyadong kilala guys, sorry. Ganda rin nito, oh. Grabe ang face card nila talaga. Look at that. Yung sa LED, oh. Ganun kaganda yung stage. Grabe yung feels ng mga nanonood niyan. I feel the same thing nung nasa SP19 ako nanood live. And the energy. Eh. Same. Goosebumps. Grabe guys. Ay, grabe may paano dun oh. Ah, by side. Ganaga. Ito sila na. Ganda talaga ng stage guys, grabe. Si Maloy. Grabe si Maloy dun, no? Look at that. Energy ni Maloy. Saan si Colette ata yung kasama niya? Grabe. I love the light sticks. Sino yung oh. Eh.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Grabe. What? Ganda. Party. Grabe, parang opening pa lang to ha. Pero yung energy, parang hindi mo mahabol kung isang oras ka magpe-perform. Grabe. Ganda dito yung Mika. Si Mika bias ko. 3D.
Oh my God! I can't. You get in my way.
Very ano na talaga sila sa performance. Yung, alam mo yun, they own the stage na. Ang ganda nung ano ni Maloy. No Fear. Ito yung No Fear. show you no fear. Ang live vocals, no? Punong-puno ang Araneta, guys. Grabe. Ganda. Oh, plus the vocals. Di lang talaga yung dance, guys. Grabe. Ang ano nila, they look expensive. Pagod yan, yung opening. Hey, look at the choreography, guys. Grabe, an all-out dance. Ay, anong name na? Sorry guys, hindi ako familiar sa kanya. Ganda.
Oh, nana.
Ay, ganda ng outfit nila, no? Feel good. Eh, ganda ni Colette. Ang ganda ng vibe ng ano, opening. So pretty.
Oh, nana. Ikaw at ako'y para sa isa't isa. Ikaw ay nandiyan.
Kamukha siya ni Nadine, no? Ang cute pala ng kantang to. Ang cute. Parang pakinggan ko itong feel good na to. Nakaka-LSS. Syempre. Ang rapper nila si Mika. Ah? Ganda, no? Ganda ni Colette. Ooh, and the confetti. Ganda, grabe, pasabog. Ang ganda. What's up, Araneta? Oh, grabe yun. There you have it, guys. That is Grand Beanieverse Day 1 opening. Grabe. What a production performance. Grabe. The performance, the production, the stage. I mean, yung production value-wise pa lang, pang-international. Like what I said just now, is like concert ni Taylor Swift, ni Beyonce ang panonoorin mo. This is what kind of production a Filipino artist should have, and Beanie is doing it right now. I hope na maging standard to, no? Grabe, yung ganitong experience deserve ng mga fans kasi they are going out there to watch the artist, aside from the artist itself, from their vocals na idol nila, but of course yung alam mo yun, yung concert feels, that is what they really deserve as well. So kudos sa production team. Grabe, sobrang ganda. That flower from the start. Tapos umangat pa yun, guys. Oo, 'di ba? Grabe, yung pa-reveal, and also yung nakita mo the outfit, the staging, kabog, the lighting, the lighting, the sound, and of course pag nakita mo pa yung artist na sinusupport mo enjoying performing for all of you. Grabe, level up concert experience in the Philippines, and Beanie brought this to you today. So dapat gawin niya na yun sa mga susunod, kahit sinong artist, diba? Hindi na, of course, deserve ng Beanie yung ganitong production value, but every artist in the Philippines na magpe-perform should have this kind of level up production plus the performance. Grabe yun, ha? Like it's like 18 minutes opening, dancing, singing with a choreography. Ang hirap nun. Sobrang nakakapagod. But nakita mo yung energy from the start, tumaas pa until the end. Kaya naman salute to the girls of Beanie. Sobrang galing, and narinig nyo naman, sobrang nag-enjoy mga blooms, diba? Kaya naman nag-enjoy din kayo. Don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.